Welcome, historians! Today you're embarking on a journey back to ancient Rome, where you'll bring history to life through a hands-on project. You'll get to choose one of 3 exciting projects that showcase the ingenuity, artistry, and engineering of the Romans. For the following projects, you may include a 1-page written report with correct grammar and spelling. First up, we have the Ancient Roman Ship Project. If you choose this option, you'll build a model of a Roman ship that's at least 12 inches long. It could be a merchant vessel carrying goods across the empire or a mighty warship used in naval battles. Your ship must be handcrafted, no store-bought models. Along with your model, you'll write a 1-page report on how these ships were built, their importance to Rome, and who sailed them. Here are some examples. Next up is the Roman mosaic. You're going to step into the world of Roman art with the Roman Mosaic Project. You'll create your own mosaic using small materials like tile, paper, or even macaroni. Your artwork should be at least 18 inches by 18 inches with at least 4 colors and a decorative border. Alongside your mosaic, your report will explore how Romans created mosaics, the materials they used, where they were found, and the meaning behind their intricate designs. The last category has a lot to do. If you love architecture, military history, or daily life in Rome, you can choose the Roman building, chariot, or armor. You'll build a detailed model of an important Roman structure like the Colosseum or an aqueduct, a war machine like a battering ram or a chariot, or even a piece of Roman armor. Your model should be carefully painted, realistic, and fit on a sturdy base. No Legos are allowed. Your report will explain the purpose of your creation and how it was used in ancient Rome. Here are some examples of some aqueducts, some Roman chariot samples, armor, shields, and helmets. Don't forget to find out when your project is due. Good luck!